আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বোরহান আহমেদ বলছিলাম বিউটি লেভেল কানাডা থেকে। আজ এসছি বিকাশ আয়োজিত 21-এর প্রোগ্রামে। চেষ্টা করব পুরো অনুষ্ঠানটা আপনাদের দেখানোর জন্য। অবশ্যই বিউটি লেভেল কানাডার সাথে থেকে পুরো অনুষ্ঠানটা উপভোগ করবেন আশা করি।
Host of the program. I invite you all in our program, this evening program. I request all of you please sit down. We're going to go for national anthem for Bangladesh and Canada. Please be seated. Today is 23rd of February 2024. It is the day we are actually celebrating the International Mother Language Day and also Honor Recussion. We can explain why these things happen, why we are actually doing this program gradually. First of all, I want to tell you thank you very much for coming, all the guests and dignitaries, and all of the people, different communities. I can proudly say, today, we're having 5 different communities coming to celebrate their mother language. Afghanistan, first time they came. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. India, the great country. Philippines, China, and Ukraine, and my host country, Bangladesh. So it's a really multicultural day, and you can see how beautiful when other mother language speaks the culture, and being a Canadian, we're always proud for that, and this is the beauty of this country. So we're going to go from our national anthem, Bangladesh and Canada. Let's start with Canada. Please stand up and have respect for each country. Thank you. back in 10 years before. But you see here we have a 54 participants. So it's just growing and growing day by day. So I invite here Professor Abdul Al-Mahmoud on behalf of Saskatoon Bangla School to say a few words.
Today we are celebrating the Heritage Language Day, the International Mother Language Day. So this journey with this school to preserve Bengali as a language among the kids, most of which are born here in Canada. The effort started more than a decade ago, and the kids you are seeing in front of you are not the first kids of the first students of this school. Rather, they came probably 8-9 years after the oldest ones. So they are learning how to speak, how to write, how to make small conversation, and it takes quite a bit of effort. So I'll appreciate if you take your time, listen to their performance. Thank you.
একুশ আমার অহংকার। আজ আমরা বাংলা ভাষার কথা বলি, মনের ভাব প্রকাশ করি। প্রতি বছর 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারিকে সারা পৃথিবী আন্তর্জাতিক মাতৃভাষা দিবস পালন করা হয়। এই সব কিছু 52 শহীদের ডাক। আপনাদের সবাইকে আজকের সাসকেটুন বাংলা স্কুলের পরিবেশনা দেখতে আসার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। আমাদের প্রথম পরিবেশনা একটি গান। গানটির নাম 21-এর গান। রচনা করেছেন আব্দুল গাফফার চৌধুরী।
want to let you guys know a little bit about the history, about the language movement in our country. Basically, you can see we are using black and white. This is the fundamental to write in your life, because back in days we used to write with white paper and black ink. So the color tint is what we are wearing right now, the symbol of language and writings. The right being mother language to write and also to speak about it. And then behind the red, the color, just like sunlight, that's what we are actually paid. Our people pay for the blood for saying my mother language. And if you see, this is we call it the floor. And if you see the one is here, it just 45-degree angle. It means mother is saving their children. So we're gonna go here and put the flower to remember the mom. We are still love you, and your language is most important for our life. So we're gonna go for one silent procession. We're gonna go here. We invite all of them. Before that, I'm gonna tell the person is here, and please raise your hand and show that your presence is here. My pronunciation might be bad, but take it easy, and my apologies in advance. Kevin Watts, a member of the Parliament, Saskatchewan, graduate. Can you stand up and please show here? Let's just give him a big hand. Mrs. Vicky Mott, MLA, Saskatchewan Fairview. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Vicky, ladies and gentlemen. Mark Frisian, MLA, Saskatchewan Riverdale. Is he here? Oh, here you go. All right. David Buckingham, MLA, Saskatchewan Westview. Thank you very much. Dave Davies, Councilor Ward 9. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Dave Hayes, the most important person, Police Chief, Saskatchewan Police. But I guarantee you one thing, sir. If you do wrong,
দর্শক বন্ধুরা, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন ঠিক এই মুহূর্তে একটা র্যালি শুরু হয়েছে।
to BCAS for hosting here tonight. My name is Kevin Waugh. I am caucus chair in Saskatchewan of the 14 Conservative MPs, and the 3 here in Saskatoon, Brad Redekop, Saskatoon West, myself in Grasswood, and along with Corey Tucker in the university. So it gives me great pleasure to bring greetings tonight on behalf of the Government of Canada.
Thanks so much, everyone. My name is Vicki Mowat. I'm the MLA for Saskatoon Fairview, which includes where we are seated right here in the Confederation Inn. So welcome to our constituency. I'm here on behalf of the Saskatchewan NDP, the official opposition, and Carla Beck, along with my colleague Betty Nibby-Albright, who will be speaking later. I'm always so overwhelmed when I see the children dancing and singing. It's honestly so moving to see them learning their mother language, learning about their sense of culture and identity. And it's so important that they have the ability to learn that language, and we also have schools that support the acquisition of English and provide good supports for our children. So that is something that Sask NDP is calling for, is more supports in schools for our children to help with language, because we know it's such a big part of how we get around in our society. So I want to thank you. We know this is a highly significant day. I want to thank you for your kind invitation for having us here, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thanks.
I'm First Nation. I'm a First Nation woman here in Saskatchewan. I'm from Kiniston Saulteaux Nation. We are Saulteaux. I'm also Cree, and what I spoke was in my language, Saulteaux. It's important that we retain our mother tongue. I just came back from Yorkton, attending an Indian residential school gathering to retain your language. And I just want to say, I'm grateful for you, for the invite to come here and speak with you all.
Thank you very much. Now, Mara.
Thank you very much, and it is absolutely a pleasure to be here tonight on behalf of Scott Moe and the Government of Saskatchewan. Our province's motto is "From many people's strength," and every time we come to these gatherings, my colleagues and I, we see that. We see you in our communities and all the great work you're doing. Very hard-working communities, and really bringing such a great atmosphere into our cities and into our province.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for the invitation to be here tonight at your International Mother Language Day. Very important day to remember your culture, all cultures throughout the world. And when I was walking in, the beautiful pictures that were done by the children, that's just a beautiful, beautiful job. So let's give them a hand for that. That was just wonderful.
Dave DeMoss.
Thank you very much. And good evening, friends. It's so nice to be here, and I certainly echo my colleagues on stage. The singing and dancing of the children was just amazing, and what a wonderful way to start an evening and a celebration. It just doesn't get any better than that. I'm Bev Dubois. I'm the City Councillor for Ward 9, and I'm very honored to be here on behalf of His Worship Mayor Charlie Clark, my colleagues on City Council, and all the citizens of Saskatoon. And have a lovely evening, and I do look forward to the rest of the evening. Thank you.
So now the Police Chief, David Hay.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dave Hay. I'm the Chief of Police at Saskatoon Police Service. Thank you for having us here. And we have a tradition of the police service where we acknowledge that we are partners in truth, reconciliation, and treaty implementation. And it's amazing that we can come together and celebrate our multiculturalism and recognizing that we are all in this together and that we're working towards the simple aim of being great citizens in our community.
So we're going to go to our first dance with the Ritika. Please play the music. Room. It's another part in the life to joy. And you know, the Ukraine is having a war right now, and in 1971 we have a war too. So I request him to come and give them support, but please give him a big hand for the Tatiana and for the Ukrainian people supporting them. So they bring their kids, and I'm sure all of you are having also seen Ukraine support from whole Canada is supporting to the and for some, they're claiming in our program and they appreciate it. And I want to hear some few words from the Tatiana.
I just want to say thank you to Warinas, and we are going to Snyanka, Ukrainian group dance, and some kids will be performing for you, and my instructor, like he works with us, he will say something about this dance. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Sebastian Gordolski, and like Tanya said,
really hard to follow. But tonight, I'm not going to perform. I'm going to share our culture. The title of my song is Tao. It means human. From dust we'll go to dust. So don't ever think we're ever better than anyone else. I hope you guys enjoy this.
দর্শক বন্ধুরা, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কনফেডারেশন ইনে বিকাশ আয়োজিত যেই 21-এর মেলা শুরু হতে যাচ্ছে। প্রচুর মানুষের সমাগম হয়েছে, এখানে প্রচুর বাংলাদেশি এসছে। যেখানে বাংলাদেশি খাবারেরও দোকান বসেছে, রসানা বিলাস। ওরা আজকে এখানে দিচ্ছে চিকেন বিরিয়ানি, ছোলা বাটারা, পিজা, সমোসা।
make this project happen. And I was, luckily I was there to capture the moment for us. Okay, and then we got some media coverage, when something important like this happens. There are only two language monuments in Canada. If we can make it happen, Saskatoon will be the third one. So it's an extremely important event for Saskatoon. So there has been some coverage, the CBC, some CTV, some local channels. So that's wonderful. We really appreciate all the coverage. Now, the journey still continues because we just got the approval. The job is not done yet, right? So we started doing the design. So this is the final design that came up with. So I'm going to give now Kulanta to talk a little bit about, maybe in 30 minutes, 30 seconds, 1 minute, just to say a few things, because he worked so hard. I call him almost every week, basically pointing a gun that, okay, I need the design. And then...
Thank you very much. We are very grateful to the city and for hard work for this team. Actually, design is emotionally we are involved with this structure. This is just into the replica of the original structure which has been found in Dhaka, capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka. So there's a lot of ideas came out, so we can do something different. But emotionally, we are very attached to this structure. So in this, the soil condition, weather condition, we are trying to accommodate considering everything here. And that's why now it's not that the huge structure, you can say that there was a big on the stage, something will be like there also. That's all. Thank you very much.
Bhai, assalamu alaikum. 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারির প্রোগ্রাম হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশি মালিকানাধীন কনফেডারেশন ইনে। এটার গুরুত্ব অন্য ধরনের। এতদিন আমরা যা করেছি, যা দেখেছি, এবছর একটু অন্যরকম। এই সম্পর্কে যদি আপনি একটু বিউটি লিভেন কানাডার দর্শকদের কিছু বলতেন।
ধন্যবাদ বরণ ভাই, ধন্যবাদ আপনার সব দর্শকদের, বিউটি লিভেনের সব দর্শকদের। আপনার যেটা আপনি বললেন, এই বছর আমাদের 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারির অনুষ্ঠান আমরা প্রত্যেক বছরই বিকাশ করে থাকি। এই বছর আমরা আমাদের বাংলাদেশি ওনার আমরা এই কনফেডারেশন নিয়ে করতে পারতেছি, এটা আমাদের জন্য গর্বের বিষয়। এবং আমরা যেটা দেখছি যে বাংলাদেশি আরও অনেক প্রোগ্রাম করছি, কিন্তু এখন থেকে আমরা চেষ্টা করব বাংলাদেশি যত প্রোগ্রামে, এই প্রোগ্রামটাও আমরা স্পন্সর করছি। আমরা কিন্তু বাংলাদেশি বিকাশকে আমাদের তরফ থেকে, কনফেডারেশন ইউনিয়নের তরফ থেকে এটা স্পন্সর করা, এবং আমরা সবভাবে তাদেরও চাই, কারণ বাংলাদেশিরা একটা জায়গায় আসছে, এখানে আপনার অন্য যে শাড়ি কাপড়ের দোকানগুলোও এখানে আসছে, তারা কমফোর্টেবল ফিল করে, এবং এখানে খাবার দাবারও সব বাংলাদেশি খাবার দাবার এখানে আয়োজন করা হয়েছে আজকে। সব কিছু মিলায় আমরাও গর্বিত যে আমরা এই ব্যবস্থাটা করতে পারছি এখানে। এটা আমাদের সৌভাগ্য, এবং আমরা আশা করি যারা আসছে তারা সবাই এনজয় করতেছে, সব প্রোগ্রামও এনজয় করতেছে, খাবার দাবারও এনজয় করতেছে। ইনশাল্লাহ সামনে যে তারা এরকম অনুষ্ঠান করবে। এবং একটা বিশাল সুবিধা বলি, অন্য যে কোনোখানে প্রোগ্রাম করলে দেখা যায় যে রাত 11টার পরে বা 10টার পরে একটা টাইম লিমিটের মধ্যে চলে যায়, কিন্তু আমাদের বাংলাদেশি ভাই বোনরা তারা তাদের মন মতো অনুষ্ঠান করবে, গান বাজনা করার পরে 12টা বাজুক 1টা বাজুক, তারপরে তারা অনুষ্ঠান শেষ করে যাবে। এই সুবিধাটা আমরা দিতে পারতেছি এখান থেকে।
এটা যদি ঠিক এভাবে বলি, বিকাশ যতগুলো প্রোগ্রাম করে অথবা বাংলাদেশি যে কোনো প্রোগ্রাম হয়, কনফেডারেশন ইন এটার সাথে থাকতে পেরে এটাও একটা গর্ববোধের ব্যাপার, গর্বিত অংশীদার হতে পারাটাও একটা বিশাল ব্যাপার।
জি জি, আজকের প্রোগ্রামটা শুধু তো আজকের দিনের প্রোগ্রামের জন্য গত পুরো একটা মাস রিহার্সেল হয়েছে, এবং সেই রিহার্সেলটাও কনফেডারেশন নিয়ে হয়েছে, এবং এইটাও গর্বের একটা বিষয় যে আগে একটা রিহার্সেলের জন্য তো একটা সেই একটা প্রোগ্রাম করার জন্য অনেক দিনের অনেক লোকের দরকার, তারা পরিশ্রম করে, এই জিনিসটা এখানে করতে পারতেছে, তারা রিহার্সেল থেকে শুরু করে আজকে প্রোগ্রামটা করতে পারতেছে। এটা আমাদের জন্য গর্বের বিষয়, এবং সবাই নিশ্চয়ই তারাও গর্ব, যারা বাঙালি তারাও গর্ববোধ করবে যে তাদের নিজস্ব একটা প্লেস আছে এখন।
আরিফ ভাই, আপনি অসম্ভব ব্যস্ত মানুষ, বিউটি লিভেন কানাডাকে এত ব্যস্ততার মাঝেও সময় দিয়েছেন, সেজন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
আপনাকেও ধন্যবাদ, আপনার দর্শকদেরও ধন্যবাদ। ইনশাল্লাহ আগামীতে আবার দেখা হবে।
ইনশাল্লাহ। Welcome to my channel, Beauty Live in Canada. How you are feeling? You are joining in Bangladeshi program and you are also performing.
Yeah, it was really awesome. I really didn't expect that I will witness all the great culture. Like everything is fantastic. Like the Bangladesh dance, the kids, the drawings and everything, very talented, very artistic. The Ukrainian dance, and it's really crazy. It's really crazy to watch it. And same thing with the Chinese with the dragon. Like who can beat the dragon? Oh my god, it's really nice. It's really amazing to be in this event. Yeah, I hope there's gonna be more events coming with the Bangladesh community. Thank you so much for being part of this.
Thank you very much.
Because we fight for Bangla. So I know some of our guests might be not understanding, but I'm sorry. আমি বলতে চাই যে আমাদের ছোট বাচ্চারা যারা এদেশে বড় হয়ে এত চমৎকারভাবে বাঙালি সংস্কৃতিকে ধরে রাখছে, লালন করছে, ওদের সবার জন্য আমি অনেক অনেক প্রাউড ফিল করছি। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Appa. I would like to request Arif Bhai to join us so that we can give these certificates to our kids. There he is. Next is Shreyosri Sharkar. We have Shreyosri. Next. Second, well, now I will announce the names of the second position. Ridwana Morshed, Ahian Taswar Turan, Anusha Roy, okay, and the third person who became first, that's Oruna.
ভালো লাগতেছে না, বাট আমি জাস্ট 2 মিনিট নিব, তার কারণ আমাদের ফোক ফেস্ট আসছে সামনে। ফোক ফেস্ট একটা maybe I should speak in English. Folk Fest is an extremely important event for us, where we showcase our cultures, right? I mean, we had a wonderful Folk Fest last year, and we'll be doing it for 10 years. Now this time, this is an opportunity for us to announce the project, Pavilion Manager. The Pavilion Manager. Last year I was fortunate to serve, but this year we actually found someone very special. So for the first time in Saskatoon, for Bikash, there will be a female Pavilion Manager. So we are very proud to see that women like them, we have Delapa here, a wonderful person helping us, there are a lot of other people helping us. A lot of women are coming and helping us, right? So we'd like our women to come forward. So this year, আমরা যাকে রিকোয়েস্ট করেছি, she is none other than our very dear Professor Bonani Roy. So I'd like to invite her to the stage. And I'm so happy and so fortunate that she accepted our invitation to be the pavilion manager for Bangladesh. She will be the first female pavilion manager of Bikash for Folkfest for us. So he says, thank you so much, Bonani. So I'd like to give her maybe a couple of minutes to say her a few words.
Thank you, Arifai, for actually giving me this honor. I feel like it's a huge room and I can not imagine how I'm going to handle this, but Arifai is with us and all the great team members of Bikash will be helping us. But before I say a few words, first I would like to actually pay my gratitude and respect to the language martyrs who gave their life for Bangla. And we are always proud of our culture and our heritage, and we have been through a lot to save our culture and heritage, and we are far from Bangladesh. Still, you see, we are practicing our culture and trying to convey this culture to our kids. And a program like this is kind of focused for language, but our culture is very enriched. And we have dances, we have songs from different genres, like we have folk, we have Rabindra Sangeet, Nazrul Sangeet, so there are different kinds of songs and also dances. And we'll meet Folkfest. And Folkfest could be done in 3 days and we'll see more exciting performance. And if you want to learn our culture very closely and very deeply, we need Folkfest like that. And I am truly honored to serve as a pavilion manager, although I am very busy for my profession and for my family. I have 2 kids and a husband, so it's very difficult, and in Canada they don't get any person for help, so it's kind of challenging. But this man convinced me to take this position. I could not say no to him. But I will try my best to serve, and I am expecting all your help to make this event successful. We had a great Folkfest last year, also before last year. Hopefully we'll have a great Folkfest this year, and we will showcase our great culture among us. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.